2 paychecks away from crisis. Or 18 months ahead in savings. Same city, same rent, completely different lives. It doesn't have to be this way. By embracing a few minimalist money rules, you can take control of your finances and build a stable future. First, master the 50-30-20 budgeting blueprint. Simple. 50% of your income goes to essential needs like housing, utilities, and groceries. 30% is for your wants and hobbies, dining out, and entertainment that make life enjoyable. The final, most important 20% goes directly into savings, investments, and paying down debt. This isn't about restriction. It's about creating a clear plan for your money. Next, become an intentional spender. Before any purchase, ask the critical question, is this a true need or a fleeting want? For wants, enforce a waiting period. For small items, use the 24-hour rule. For larger purchases, extend it to 30 days. This simple pause is your greatest defense against impulse buys. You'll be surprised how many must-haves you forget about. Then, adopt the pay yourself first philosophy. Don't just save what's left at the end of the month. The moment your paycheck arrives, have a portion automatically transferred to your savings and investment accounts. This makes saving a non-negotiable priority and builds your wealth effortlessly in the background. Embrace the one-in, one-out rule to prevent lifestyle creep. For every new non-essential item that comes into your home, one must go out. This forces you to evaluate whether a new purchase is worth giving something else up, keeping clutter and unnecessary spending at bay. Finally, become the gatekeeper of your cash flow. Make meals at home instead of buying lunch and brew your own coffee. These small, daily expenses add up to thousands per year. Conduct a ruthless monthly audit of your subscriptions. If you're not using a service regularly, cancel it. That money is better off in your savings. By following these rules, you simplify your finances, reduce stress, and build a powerful foundation for lasting financial stability.